Tell me one person who doesn't like listening to music. Like you're happy, you enjoy the music, and if you're sad, then you listen to the lyrics. And these days, there are so many music streaming apps. So today I'm gonna talk about the 7 most popular music streaming apps of India. And you write me down which app are you using right now, or which one are you planning to use after watching the whole video. So welcome to Mobizium, guys. We would compare these 7 apps with respect to their subscription plan, the music collection that they have got, its user experience, streaming quality, and many more. So let us begin. Let me start with Saavn app. It was founded in the year 2007 and it is one amongst the primary music streaming apps to begin this initiative in India. It is feasible on web interface, iOS and Android, and you can stream music on Saavn for free but with its own limitations, or else you can have a subscription plan which says rupees 99 for Android users and rupees 120 for iOS users. So what benefits you get if you have a subscription plan? Firstly, there would be no ads running while you're listening to your music, which is a good thing because it becomes quite annoying, like ads are popping here and there. Then second is you can download music and listen to it offline, which would save your data, and then you get access to exclusive contents of Saavn. Now if I talk about the app, then it is up to date. You get access to all the new releases, and even we searched for one underrated song and it was available. So that is a good thing, and it has a music collection of about 30 million songs. So if we open the app, then to the left we get an option of on my phone, which means we can have access to our local MP3. Then there is music language option, which has, apart from Hindi and English, it has a lot many language here: Marathi, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati and many more. And if we click on our user account, then we could see the playlist which we have created, and also we can share it, so which means we can flaunt what we have got. Then to the bottom we have home button. So home button would take us to all the new and trending songs, the top charts, top playlists, the new releases, and also to the bottom we have got this browse and discover section, in which we can listen to music according to our mood. Like if you are sad, then sad music, romantic, pop, party. Besides that, we have radio options. So we have artists, we can listen to artists radio or featured one, that is rock, chill, hip hop, classic. And in my music we get access to all the activities which we have done, like if we have saved one song or album, our playlist. We can also follow any artist which we want to. Talking about the streaming quality, you can listen up to 320 kbps of audio quality if you are a subscribe member, and if not, then you can listen up to 160 kbps of audio quality music. Well, that was about Saavn app. Now let us switch on to another app, that is Hungama. I'm using Hungama app in Redmi Y1 because I got a free yearly subscription in this. And just so you know, we are giving away Redmi Y1 and the contest is still on till we reach 7,000 subscribers. So if you're not aware of it, then you should watch our Redmi Y1 full review video after watching this. And also we had a giveaway of Viva V1, the winner of which I'm gonna announce in a while. But before that, let me talk about Hungama app. You get a free trial for 30 days, and after that, if you want to subscribe, then it is rupees 99. If you are subscribed to it, then what benefits you get? Firstly, there would be no ads, unlimited offline songs, then HD audio quality and unlimited full-length music videos. See, I like this thing about Hungama. Like while you are streaming music, you can also watch to that video and you can also download it. As we open the app, you would realize it is slow and the UI is also quite old, and it is totally Bollywood centric. You won't find more Hollywood songs here, and also old songs, quite old songs are not available. You just get access to all the popular ones. If I jot down all the unique things that we get in Hungama, then as I said, we get an option to watch video along with song. We can also download those videos and songs, and also we can save MP3 file in our device, which means we can listen to it anywhere, anytime without even using Hungama app. Another unique thing about this app is that we can earn coins and badges by adding a social account, or by simply listening to music or downloading a music or inviting a friend, and many more. And with these coins we can get access to bigger Hungama subscription plans for Hungama music and movies. Say if you have collected 8,000 coins, then you can use that for having a bigger subscription plan of Hungama music and movies. Like you get in that plan 500 plus short films, unlimited movies from the subscription catalog, HD quality movies. So these are the things which make Hungama app quite unique from all the other apps, and it is also affordable, like it is value for money, I should say. गाना 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 अब बजना चाहिए गाना. I really like the name of this app, Gaana. It offers us up to 10 million songs, including regional contents like Malayalam, Bhojpuri, Rajasthan, and international and Bollywood contents as well. Talking about the monthly subscription for Android users, it is rupees 99, and for iOS users, it is rupees 120. As we open Gaana app, we would see that UI is quite neat and it resembles a lot like Apple Music. Though UI is not user friendly, but you would get used to it if you use it for say 1 week or so. There's this feature called sleep timer wherein you can set it to say 30 minutes and sleep, and it would automatically stop after 30 minutes, which is a nice thing. And reordering songs is quite easy. Like if you want to reorder your playlist, it is quite smooth. Coming to radio, we have quite a good category here. Like we can listen to artist radios, mood radios, Radio Mirchi, and apart from that we have a radio of particular song. Like we have to just click on particular song which we are listening, which we like to listen, and there's this option play similar songs, so it would play songs of its kind. Well, these are some unique things about Gaana. Let me now switch on to Wynk. If you are an Airtel user, then Wynk subscription plans are cheap for you. Like right now I registered for Wynk, and one free plan which I got, in which I can stream unlimited music and I can download it as well, but with ads. And if I don't want ad, then I have to pay rupees 49 for 1 month for unlimited downloads with no ads. And if I want it for 1 whole year, then it is rupees 500. So this was for Airtel user, but for normal user, the plan says rupees 99 for unlimited streaming and downloading with no ads. And for yearly subscription, it is rupees 1188. Wynk offers us about 2.6 million musical tracks, and it is feasible on Android OS and iOS. Then there's Wynk Direct beta version, which says we can connect with other devices to share our music, the music which we have already downloaded. Wynk wraps up each genres comprising party songs, romantic, devotional, bhangra, metal, rock, pop, Bollywood, etc. It also explores into the regional track by Bengali, Rajasthani, Bhojpuri, Marathi, etc. dialects. Moreover, it also showcases several sorted playlists according to genres, artists, mood, etc., as well as online radio for continuous music. Let me now announce our Viva V1 giveaway winner, and the name is Vishal Giri, because firstly he has subscribed to our Hindi channel, and second of all he is an active member in our YouTube channel and also in our social media accounts, that is Facebook and Instagram. So congratulations Vishal for that. In Apple Music, we get around 40 million songs and we get a free trial of 3 months. But after that, for one person per month, it is rupees 120. And for a group of 6 people per month, it is rupees 190. And it is currently available on Android, iOS, Mac and Windows. Talking about its UI, it's quite easy and neat, and also reordering of the playlist is quite smooth. While we listen to a particular song, we can see its lyrics and also watch the video of it. Also, one thing which has us hooked is its Beats One radio. It has genre-based playlists such as Indian classical and rock, apart from playlists dedicated to activities such as workouts and running. That was about Apple Music. Let us now move on to our next one, that is Jio Music. Prerequisite for Jio Music, you need to have a Jio Prime membership, and once you have it, you are done. You get access to unlimited HD music with no ads. It offers us more than 10 million tracks, and the streaming quality of it is 320 kbps. We can switch it according to our wish. Then the languages which it covers is Hindi, English, Telugu, Tamil and many more. Coming to the radio part, we can have unlimited skips from categories like classic 60s, flashback 90s, like it is categorized into eras, then curated playlists based on artists, eras, moods, genres, etc. And we have tap to play or tap to queue options in the setting. We can listen to songs and we can also download it and listen offline. So what I think is, if you have a Jio Prime membership, then you should not even think about anything else than this, because the only limitation Jio Music has is that you need to have a Prime membership, and if you already have, then you are good to go. You should go with this app. I would recommend you that. The last one being Google Play Music. Coming to Google's Play Music, we have all heard about Google Music Player charging for one particular song, but now in this we get a free trial of 30 days and rupees 89 for monthly subscription. And if we compare it to other apps, it is the cheapest. I know by 10 rupees also, but hey, that matters. The unique thing about Google's Play Music is that we get a free cloud storage facility in here wherein we can upload up to 50,000 songs on cloud. I'm not talking about Drive or library, we can upload it on cloud. We can do unlimited skips, but the UI, I feel it is a bit weird. So to sum it up, I would say the best app for you, if you have a Jio Prime membership, then it is Jio Music only. But if you don't have one, then you should opt for Hungama, because there you can download videos and also you can save local MP3 files to your device, which you can use it anywhere, anytime without even using your Hungama app. So I liked Jio Music and Hungama. Well, that is all about the popular music streaming apps in India. I hope you all liked it. Hit the bell icon and make sure you subscribe to Mobizium. Thank you so much for coming. Goodbye.